fashion show, there always has to be a little bit of drama. Why is that? Anyway, it's all in the name of fun. A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Samsung Fashion Steps Out 2013. How are all of you doing tonight? Are you all doing good? Great. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the fun happens today right up until the 12th of May. That's right. We've got lots of fashionable activities coming your way, great promotions from MasterCard, and of course, ladies and gentlemen, great devices to be given out by Samsung. So there's going to be something for everyone. Lots to look forward to. You can find out a lot more by downloading the Orchard mobile app. It just takes 3 minutes to download, and it's amazing the information you can get from that app. So please, ladies and gentlemen, please do that. And for the first time in FSO's history, Samsung will be headlining 2013's biggest fashion event together with the launch of the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S4 LTE. And ladies and gentlemen, in a short while we will be welcoming Mazlan. Now Mazlan is one of Singapore's well-known street artists, that's right. And he's actually going to be hand-painting all the chairs that all of us are going to get comfortable on the 4th of May for the Orchard Fashion Runway, that's right. And he will be demonstrating his work during the fashion collection that we are about to present. And ladies and gentlemen, speaking of which, let's get the show on the road, presenting to you, ladies and gentlemen, the Spring-Summer 2013 collection from Etro and Pua. Enjoy, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen,